Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition. So as you guys can see, if we want to enable the battery percentage, we need to go over to the settings. Now, it's not available for some devices, but for this one it is. So just go over here. And instead of going into the battery, we're going to go into the notifications and quick settings. Here we need to go to the status bar, and right up top here we have the battery style and battery percentage. So for an example, we can enable the loop battery and enable battery percentage right here. Now we can see that we are on 84%, and this is how you guys can easily do that. So it's not in the battery settings, it's in the notifications and quick settings. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.